everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maura and I'm a physical therapist and certified yoga teacher. Today I'll be sharing a fairly quick practice, just a yoga for when you feel stiff. As always, please make sure that it's safe for you to be practicing yoga and that you are always listening to your body and utilizing variations and props when it feels good for you. I have some blocks, a blanket, and a strap with me. Check out the description box for more injury prevention resources for yoga as well as the equipment that I'm using. So when you're ready, let's get started in child's pose. Maybe widening the knees. Just let your hips sink back. Take a few deep breaths here. And then walk your hands over to the right side of the mat, stretching through the left side body. Move your hands over to the left-hand side, sit back, stretch through the right. And come back to the middle. Slowly start to come up to a tabletop position. Take a few movements here, maybe shifting hips side to side, whatever feels good for you at the moment. And come back to neutral, drop the belly, lift the gaze, extend your spine, coming into cow. And then round the back, tuck your chin, press away for cat. Move through these motions at your own pace, matching your breathing to your movement. And we'll take one more of each. And then step your right foot to the front of your mat, maybe using some blocks if that feels comfortable. Sink your hips down, getting into your left hip flexor. Shift your hips back slightly, come up to high lunge, reach up, and then side bend toward the right. Come back through center, bring your hands down, straighten the front leg, coming into half splits. Bring both hands to the inside of your leg. Sweep that leg around and then carry it across your body. Turn and look back at your heel. And bring that leg back in to meet the other. One round of cat and cow to transition to the opposite side. When you're ready, bring that left leg to the front of the mat. Using props or not, sink your hips down, opening your right hip flexors. Bring your hips back slightly, come up, reach up, and then grab your wrist, side bend over to the right if that feels good. You may feel a deeper stretch in that right hip flexor here. Come back to neutral, hands down, walk them back. Straighten that front leg, half splits. Bring both hands to the inside of the leg, sweep that leg around, cross your body, look back at your heel. And bring that leg in to meet the opposite leg. Move your hands a little bit forward from where they were in tabletop. Tuck your toes, send the hips up and back. Pedal the feet out here in your downward facing dog. We'll take another deep breath here. Bring the knees down to the mat, lower down to your belly. Release your forehead to the mat. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Press into your hands, wrap the shoulders back, and come up into a cobra, or if you'd like to stay with Sphinx or a lower back bend, if that feels better for your back, you're welcome to do that. We'll take 3 rounds of whatever back bend of your choice. Lower down to the mat. Wrap your shoulders back, press up into your back bend again. Lower down. One more time. Press, lift up, engage that upper back. And then lower all the way down. Press yourself up and back. One more child's pose before we transition to your back. Shift yourself up, come down to your back. Hug your knees into your chest. Let them fall over to the right. Gentle spinal twist. When you're ready, slowly lift your knees up, shift your hips, let your knees fall to the opposite side. Bring your knees back up to center. And slowly make your way back up to an easy seat. We'll take one deep breath here. Inhaling, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick yoga for when you feel stiff. I hope you feel slightly looser, and do save this practice if you found it helpful. If you'd like to check out some of my other practices, be sure to check this bubble that's going to be popping up right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.